In this video, we're going to learn 3 new phrases. Now, before we begin, you have to keep in mind that a phrasal verb is a special kind of verb that comes with 1 or 2 extra words. These extra words change the meaning of the verb. For example, look means to see, but look after means to care for something or someone. Give means to transfer something from you to another person. But give up means to stop doing something because it is too hard. Our first phrase is 2 peas in a pod. We use this phrase when we talk about 2 things that are very similar. Perhaps these 2 things go together very well. We use it to talk about people who are alike, but we can also use it to describe objects or groups. Perhaps we could say that game design and software development are 2 peas in a pod. They complement each other and work well together. Now, let's look at a phrasal verb, figure out. When we figure out something, or we figure something out, we try to understand it. We calculate and decide what something is by using knowledge or information to solve a problem. Imagine you're working on a website and the home page stops showing up correctly. You don't know why this is happening, so you start looking at the code and you see there's a small mistake in the code. By using what you know, you figure out that fixing this mistake will make the home page work properly again. That brings us to our final phrase, come to life. When something comes to life, it starts moving or shows signs of energy.
Oh, it's alive! It's alive! It's alive!
Designers and developers work together so their ideas come to life. They start to turn into something we can see, watch, or play. You can figure out ways to use these new phrases so your English comes to life.